Cade with GS Diving. This is where the pile wants to go down, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what you're looking at. Alright, it's right at the base. I think it's just going to walk out a foot or two. So basically, the hill is right there. It's at the very bottom of the hill. Right here is a little bit of flat, and then there's another hill here. The point is in the ground a little bit. I don't know if you can push it down a little bit and start, and then push down a little bit more and keep going, but I'm willing to watch it go and see.